Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to add your name on your lock screen in this device. For this, go to the control center. Then here you can see the option focus. Press and hold the focus. Then tap on the option plus icon at the bottom tab. New focus. Tap on this one. Tap on custom. So here we need to enter our name. Okay. So here I am going to enter the name. And also you can change the color, and you can you can select any icon from here. Tap on next, tap on customize focus. That's it. Now again go to the control center, press and hold the control center. Now you can see your name is here. Tap on this one. Now it is turned on. Now lock the device. Now you can see your name is here at the bottom of the lock screen. You can see. So simply in this way you can enable, you can add your name on your lock screen in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.